Are you struggling to find the perfect car subwoofer that delivers deep, clean bass without draining your wallet or overwhelming your trunk space? Whether you're upgrading your factory system or building a competition-grade setup, choosing the right subwoofer can be confusing. In this video, we're solving that problem by reviewing the top 5 DS18 car subwoofers, from compact 8-inch beasts to high Excursion 15-inch monsters. So you'll know exactly which one fits your ride, your budget, and your bass goals. DS18 subwoofers are ideal because they combine aggressive power handling, durable build quality, and versatile designs that suit everything from shallow mounts to full-blown SPL setups. They're engineered for real-world performance, whether you want tight punchy bass or window-rattling lows. Stick around till the end to discover the DS18 subwoofer that suits your preferences. And don't forget to subscribe for more car audio tips and reviews. Also, check the links in the description for the best deals on the DS18 subwoofers I'm featuring today. And once you are done watching this video, drop a comment below and let us know which DS18 subwoofer you'd pick for your ride. Let's kick off this bass-packed journey with number 5 on our list, the DS18 XI8.4D8 High Excursion Car Audio Subwoofer. This compact powerhouse is built with a dual voice coil configuration rated at 4 ohms, and it boasts a peak power handling of 1200 watts with 1000 watts max output. It features a 2-inch coil designed for high efficiency and durability, supported by 4 stacked magnets that help deliver distortion-free bass even at high volumes. With a low FS rating, it's optimized for large enclosures with lower-than-average tuning, making it ideal for custom box builds. Having installed and tested the XI8.4D in a compact hatchback, I was genuinely impressed by how much punch this little sub delivered. It didn't just rumble, it roared, especially when paired with a well-matched amp. The build quality felt solid and the Excursion was visibly deep, which translated into rich, clean lows that didn't muddy the mids. What makes the XI8.4D stand out is its ability to deliver high Excursion bass in a small footprint. It's perfect for enthusiasts who want serious bass but are working with limited space. If you're upgrading from factory sound and want something that hits hard, without overwhelming your setup, this subwoofer is a fantastic entry point into high-performance audio. Coming in at number 4 is the DS18 SLC8S8 Car Subwoofer. This model delivers 400 watts max power and 200 watts RMS, with a single voice coil rated at 4 ohms. It features a 2-inch black aluminum voice coil and a 38 Oz ferrite magnet, housed in a steel basket with a paper cone, reinforced by glass fiber. The design is focused on efficiency and clean bass reproduction, making it a reliable upgrade for entry-level systems. In real-world use, the SLC8S surprised me with its clarity and responsiveness. I installed it in a sedan with limited trunk space and it filled the cabin with tight, punchy bass that complemented the rest of the system beautifully. It didn't shake the windows, but it added depth and warmth that made every track more immersive. The SLC8S stands out for its affordability and ease of integration. It's best suited for casual listeners or those just starting their car audio journey. If you want a noticeable bass upgrade without diving into high wattage territory, this subwoofer delivers clean performance and solid value. At number 3, we have the DS18 PSW10.4D 10 Shallow Mount Subwoofer. This sub is engineered for tight spaces, offering 1000 watts max power and 500 watts RMS. It features a dual voice coil configuration rated at 4+4 ohms and is water resistant, making it ideal for trucks and vehicles where space and durability are key. With a sensitivity of 84 dB and a frequency response that reaches down to 800 Hz, it's built to deliver powerful bass in shallow enclosures. I installed the PSW10.4D under the rear seat of a pickup truck and it was a game-changer. Despite its shallow mount design, it produced deep resonant bass that you could feel in your chest. The water-resistant build gave me peace of mind during rainy days and off-road trips, and it handled everything from hip-hop to rock with ease. The PSW10.4D stands out for its versatility and ruggedness. It's perfect for truck owners, off-roaders, or anyone needing a subwoofer that fits into tight spaces, without compromising on sound quality. If you're looking for a shallow mount sub that performs like a full-size unit, this one delivers. Sliding into second place is the DS18 ZXI 12.4D12 High Excursion Car Subwoofer. This beast is rated at 2000 watts max and 1000 watts RMS, with a dual voice coil configuration at 4 ohms. It features a low FS of 31 Hz and a wide frequency response from 15 Hz to 1.8 kHz, ensuring ultra-low bass reproduction. With a sensitivity of 89.2 dBs and a robust coil design, it's built to handle serious power while maintaining clarity. After installing the ZXI 12.4D in a custom ported box in an SUV, I was blown away by its depth and control. It didn't just shake the car, it transformed the listening experience. The sub handled high volumes without distortion, and the Excursion was so deep it felt like the bass was wrapping around you. It's a subwoofer that demands respect. The ZXI 12.4D stands out for its ability to deliver competition-grade bass in a daily driver setup. It's best for audiophiles and bass heads who want to push their system to the limit. If you're ready to step into serious sound territory, this subwoofer is your ticket to thunderous lows and clean performance. And now, the number one spot goes to the DS18 XLXX 115.2 DHE15 High Excursion Car Subwoofer. This monster is rated at a staggering 4000 watts max power with dual voice coils at 2 ohms. It's designed for extreme bass output, featuring a long ferrite motor structure and high Excursion surround that allows for maximum X-max without damaging the cone. With a 3-inch voice coil and competition-grade build, it's engineered to deliver earth-shaking bass that dominates any sound system. I had the chance to run the EXL XX 15.2 DHE in a competition-style setup, and it was nothing short of epic. The bass was so powerful it felt like the air was being sucked out of the cabin. It handled high wattage effortlessly and maintained clarity, even at peak output. This subwoofer doesn't just play music, it makes a statement. The EXL XX 115 222 DHE stands out as the ultimate choice for serious competitors and bass enthusiasts. It's best for those who want to build a show-stopping system that turns heads and rattles windows. If you're chasing the pinnacle of car audio performance, this subwoofer is your crown jewel. And there you have it, the top 5 DS18 car subwoofers that deliver serious bass, durability, and options for every kind of setup. Whether you're working with tight space or building a competition-grade system, DS18 has something that fits your needs and hits hard. If this video helped you narrow down your choice, smash that like button and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss future reviews, install guides, and audio upgrades. We've got more content coming that'll help you build the perfect sound system from the ground up. Check the links in the description to grab the best deals on all the subwoofers we covered today. Those prices change fast, so don't wait. And we want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell us which DS18 subwoofer you'd pick, or share your own setup if you've already installed one. Your feedback helps others make smarter choices and helps us decide what to review next. Thanks for watching, and remember, great sound starts with the right subwoofer. See you in the next video.